What if I told you that everything we know about security, privacy, and even Bitcoin itself could be at risk? But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Today, we're diving into the world of quantum computing, Google's latest breakthrough, and what it means for your Bitcoin investments. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Imagine a world where diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer are curable. A world where living beyond 100 becomes commonplace. A world where breakthroughs in energy, like nuclear fusion, solve major global issues like climate change. It's a world where new materials stronger than anything we've ever seen revolutionize transportation and space exploration. This is the promise of quantum computers, machines so powerful they can simulate nature itself and solve problems that would take today's fastest supercomputers longer than the age of the universe to complete. But here's where it gets wild. While quantum computers promise incredible progress, they also pose a huge threat. The kind of threat that could crack modern encryption like a hammer to glass. And that raises a big question for crypto holders. Will Bitcoin survive the quantum revolution? This just got even more real with Google's announcement of its new quantum chip Willow. Alright, let's break this down. Right now, your phone, your laptop, even the most powerful supercomputers, all of them use bits, which can be a 0 or a 1. Simple, right? But quantum computers use something called qubits, and these bad boys don't play by the same rules. Here's the magic part. Thanks to something called superposition, qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Imagine trying to solve a maze. A normal computer tries one path at a time, but a quantum computer tries every possible path at once. Boom! It finds the solution instantly. Enter Willow, Google's latest and most powerful quantum chip. If you thought past chips like Sycamore were impressive, Willow is on a whole new level. Google claims Willow solved a problem in under 5 minutes that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10 to the power of 25 years. For context, that's longer than the age of the universe. Let that sink in. So what does this mean for Bitcoin and your precious crypto wallet? Well, it has to do with how Bitcoin is secured. And once you understand that, you'll see why people are starting to get a little nervous. Bitcoin security rests on two main types of encryption, ECDSA 256 and SHA 256. Don't let the names scare you. Here's the simple version. ECDSA 256 creates Bitcoin's public and private keys. Your public key is like your email address, you can share it. But your private key is like the password. Lose that and you're toast. The problem is that quantum computers, using something called Shor's algorithm, could theoretically figure out your private key from your public key. SHA 256 is a hashing algorithm that secures Bitcoin transactions. Even if quantum computers can speed up the search for hashes using Grover's algorithm, the scale of the problem is still massive. Think of it like trying to pick a single grain of sand from every beach in the world. It's still crazy hard, even with quantum speed. Alright, here's where things get real. Some experts believe that quantum computers might only need 22,000 logical qubits to crack Bitcoin's security. Remember, Google's Willow has 105 qubits, so we're not there yet, but progress is happening fast. But let's be honest, if quantum computers get strong enough to crack Bitcoin, they can also break into banks, stock markets, and even military-grade encryption. So, Bitcoin isn't the only one with a target on its back. Alright, so we know that quantum computers pose a potential threat to Bitcoin, but it's not game over. Far from it. Bitcoin has something very powerful in its favor. It's open source and built to evolve. You see, Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, didn't just design Bitcoin as a rigid system, he anticipated change. Back in 2010, Satoshi mentioned the possibility of quantum computing and how Bitcoin could adapt. And let's be honest, Bitcoin has already proven it can adapt when needed. 2010 to 2017, Bitcoin network scaling improvements. 2017, hard fork to create Bitcoin Cash during the scaling debates. 2021, Taproot upgrade for better privacy and efficiency. So while quantum computers are a real challenge, Bitcoin isn't just sitting still. The community is already preparing, researchers are developing new defenses, and the future of crypto could be stronger than ever before. Alright, let's talk about you. How can you, as a Bitcoin holder, protect yourself from quantum threats right now? Even though quantum computers aren't breaking Bitcoin tomorrow, it's always smart to prepare. First up, never reuse your Bitcoin addresses. Why? Because when you reuse an address, you expose your public key after making a transaction. Remember, quantum computers could eventually use that public key to figure out your private key. The solution is simple. Generate a new Bitcoin address for every transaction. Most modern wallets already make this easy for you, so just double-check and stay in the habit of using fresh addresses. Second, use a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, to store your Bitcoin. Think of a cold wallet like a digital vault. Unlike online wallets or exchanges, which are constantly connected to the internet, cold wallets are completely offline. No internet connection means no hacking, quantum-powered or otherwise. Some popular cold wallets include devices like Ledger, Trezor, or Bitbox. Yes, it's an extra step, but it's worth it to keep your Bitcoin safe from all threats, quantum or otherwise. Third, stay informed and be ready to adapt. Technology is evolving at lightning speed, and so is crypto. Follow trusted crypto news sources, keep an eye on Bitcoin development updates, and learn about quantum-resistant solutions as they emerge. And here's a bonus tip. If you're really serious about crypto security, consider spreading your holdings across different wallets and even multiple cryptocurrencies. Some emerging altcoins are already exploring quantum-resistant encryption, so diversifying could help you hedge against future threats. 1. Generate new addresses for every transaction. 2. Use cold wallets for offline storage. 3. Stay informed and diversify your holdings. Remember, being proactive today means you're ahead of the curve tomorrow. Quantum computing isn't here to destroy Bitcoin, it's here to challenge us to make Bitcoin even stronger. Quantum computing is coming, that's a fact, and yes, it's going to change everything. But change is part of progress. Bitcoin has faced challenges before, and every time, it's emerged stronger and more resilient. The quantum threat is real, but so is the ingenuity of the global Bitcoin community. Developers are already working on solutions, researchers are pushing the boundaries of cryptography, and you, as a crypto user, have the power to adapt, prepare, and thrive. So don't panic. Instead, hit that like button if this video helped you understand the quantum future a little better. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech, crypto, and innovation, and turn on the bell so you're always ahead of the curve. The future isn't something to fear, it's something to build. Together, we'll be ready for the quantum revolution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.